Hi everyone! Welcome back to Talk Crafted English, your favorite place to learn English the real way. Today, Liam and I are stepping onto a city bus. So Liam, what's the first thing you should say when you get on?
Great question, Olivia. It's always polite to greet the driver. Simple phrases like, good morning, or hi there, work anywhere. It's a small gesture, but it helps set a friendly tone for your ride.
Absolutely. And if you're unsure about the route, you can ask, is this bus going to Central Park? That way, you're being polite and getting the information you need.
Exactly. In many English-speaking cities, drivers are happy to help. If you're nervous, remember that these greetings are universal and show respect. Even a quick smile goes a long way.
Now let's say you're not sure if the bus stops where you want to go. How do you ask about the route in simple English, Liam?
You can use questions like, how many stops till Main Street? Or, does this bus stop near the shopping mall? These are clear and easy to understand for anyone.
That's helpful. For example, in Toronto, people often just ask, do you stop by Union Station? It's direct, but still polite.
Right. If you want to be extra polite, add please at the end. Could you please tell me if this bus goes to the library? The word please makes your request sound friendlier.
All right, so you're on the bus, and most seats are full. What's a good way to ask about sitting down?
You can simply say, is this seat taken? If the seat is free, the person will usually say, no, go ahead.
And sometimes you might want to offer your seat, especially to someone who looks like they need it more. Just ask, would you like to sit here? It's a kind gesture.
Exactly. In busy cities, offering your seat is seen as respectful. It's a small way to make someone's day better, and it helps you practice speaking English too.
Sometimes you end up sitting next to a stranger. Liam, what are some easy ways to start a conversation on the bus?
A classic way is to comment on the weather. It's really cold today, isn't it? Or you can ask, do you take this bus often? Both are friendly and safe topics.
That's true. And if you're not comfortable starting a chat, it's fine to just smile and nod. In some cities, like London, people value their quiet time on public transport.
Absolutely. But if someone talks to you, responding with a short answer and a smile is always polite. It's a great way to practice listening and speaking in real situations.
Let's talk about crowded buses. When it's busy, what should you say if you need to move past someone?
You can say, excuse me, can I move past? That's direct, but still polite. If you accidentally bump someone, just say, sorry, I didn't mean to bump into you.
That's so important. In New York, for example, everyone's in a rush, but a quick excuse me or sorry keeps things friendly.
Exactly. These simple phrases help avoid misunderstandings. Even if your English isn't perfect, people appreciate the effort to be polite.
Suppose you're worried about missing your stop. What's a polite way to ask someone to help you?
You can say, can you please tell me when we reach Maple Street? Most people will be happy to help you and even remind you when your stop is coming up.
I agree. A lot of travelers use this phrase, and it's especially useful if you're in a new city or can't see the signs clearly.
Definitely. Asking for help not only ensures you reach your destination, but also gives you a chance to practice speaking with locals.
Now, let's focus on saying thank you. Liam, what's the most natural way to express thanks on the bus?
Simple phrases like, thanks for the help, or I really appreciate it worked perfectly. A smile or a nod makes your gratitude even clearer.
And don't forget to thank the driver when getting off. A quick thank you as you leave is common in places like London or Toronto.
That's right. These small acts of politeness create a positive atmosphere and make your travel experience much smoother.
Now let's talk about paying for your bus ride. What's the easiest way to ask if you can pay by card, Liam?
You can ask, can I pay by card? Or, do you accept contactless payment? Many cities now have tap-and-go systems, but it's always good to check first.
And if you don't have a card, you might ask, where can I get a bus pass? These phrases help you handle different payment systems confidently.
Exactly. In cities like New York, they have Metro cards, while in London, it's the Oyster card. Knowing how to ask about payment options will make your trip much easier.
We've covered a lot of useful phrases. What's your best tip for practicing these so they become second nature, Liam?
Practice by repeating them out loud. You can also role play with a friend or even in front of a mirror. Repetition helps you remember and sound more natural.
Great advice. Listeners, you can pause this podcast, repeat after us, and use these phrases in your daily life. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel.
Absolutely. And don't worry about mistakes. People appreciate your effort to speak English, even if it's not perfect.
Before we wrap up, let's touch on bus etiquette. Liam, do customs differ in other countries when riding the bus?
Yes, definitely. For example, in Japan, people stay quiet, while in Brazil, it's common to chat with others. In some places, you must give up your seat for elders or pregnant women.
That's true. So, being observant and polite is key. Even if you're unsure, using the phrases we discussed will help you fit in anywhere.
Exactly. No matter the country, showing respect and following local customs will make your bus ride smoother and more enjoyable.